Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you watched my introduction video, I had said that I had another project going on and this was going to move really slow. Another disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic. So I'm going to do what I can by myself. I'm going to be referring to YouTube, of course, and the internet, the forums, and some friends that are mechanics. But tonight, I'm just going to try to get the flywheel mounted up, the clutch and pressure plate. So stick around. Right now I've got the flywheel on with the nuts fingered tight. I had it professionally rebuilt, so I was able to find the marking on the end of the crank and look at the valves through the side of the motor and verify that it's top dead center on cylinder 1 where it should be. So he left it set perfectly top dead center for me. Then I was able to locate the markings on the flywheel and get that top dead center as well. Because of the dowel bolts, it can only go on correct or 180 out. So with finding the arrow on the flywheel, I was able to make sure that it was correct 180 out. That would suck. It is top dead center. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get those torqued down to spec, and then we'll look at getting the clutch and pressure plate on. I told you I'm not a mechanic.